Hi, I'm Alec Baldwin. I want to show you how to make nachos. First, you will need parchment paper. Put the parchment paper on the cookie tray. Cut bell peppers into small pieces. Cut tomatoes into small pieces. Cut green onions or regular onions into small pieces. If you like nachos a little spicy, you can add jalapeno pepper. Cut them into very small pieces. Make sure you wash your hands after. If you touch jalapeno peppers and then touch your eyes, it will burn your eyes. Last, if you like meat, you can fry up ground beef to add to your nachos. Here we are, all set up to make nachos. You can choose what chips and grated cheese you want. I like hint of lime chips and Tex-Mex cheese. Layer the chips on the parchment paper. Layer the vegetables on top of the chips. Layer the ground beef on top. Sprinkle the grated cheese on top. Now, you can add a second layer of nacho chips. Add the vegetable layers on top of the nacho chips. Add the meat again. Sprinkle with grated cheese again. Put your tray in the oven at 450 degrees. Use a timer for about 5 minutes, but everyone's oven is different, so be careful and watch the nachos so they don't burn. The nachos should be crispy and the cheese melted. Ta-da! They are done! Use sour cream and salsa for dipping sauce. Enjoy!